Penn's been one of your highest conviction stocks. The industry in general, we're very optimistic about. Recently, August 12th, they just opened up another brick and mortar location, Penn National Gaming in York, Pennsylvania. So exciting to hear how that works out. However, we've talked about that as a catalyst. We've talked about football as a catalyst, but there may have been another catalyst that was just announced in North Carolina. Why don't you tell everybody what's going on down there?
Yeah, so there was a voting proceeding that took place in North Carolina, and it was a little bit difficult to grasp because sports betting has been legal in North Carolina, but there lacked any kind of like actual locations there for sports betting. And so that was what they were voting on in North Carolina last week. It went through the Senate on Thursday, and then we're waiting for that to go through the House in North Carolina as well. But some pretty distinct developments with that. They're going to issue between 10 and 12 licenses to entities that can offer online and in-person betting in pro, college, and Olympic-style sports. Obviously, Penn National fits that bill. I would imagine that MGM and some other ones will probably work their way in there as well. But I think this could be another big win for Penn National. This is just kind of what we've been talking about, things that are going to be playing out. I think that we'll see sports betting and sports gambling in every state, and this is a bold prediction. I think we'll see it legalized in every state before we see weed legalized in every state, hands down.
Oh, yeah, easy. There was a quote in the article you sent me, the senator for one of the counties in North Carolina, Lenore County, that said, I look at this as more of a voluntary tax from people already taking place in the market. And it's a good point. There's so much money in gambling and it's going to happen regardless. Yeah. Like, why not benefit off of it? And that's where a little common sense just needs to come into play. Like the way the digital setup is, weed's a physical product.
Yeah.
So it's a little bit less challenging for me to place a bet. It's very easy for me to place a bet anywhere in the world. It doesn't even matter if it's legal in the U.S. And so just get over it and make the money. There's tons of money to be made. So it's a smart move and it makes sense.
I agree. And we look at Penn today, and it's closed the day. Today, the market officially closed as we were discussing this. Closed the day up nearly 4%, 3.8%. It's actually continuing to climb here after hours trading. If we go to the 5-minute chart, you can see what kind of day it had today. Pretty monstrous day. Obviously the whole market did really well, but it was good to see Penn back up here. And I had mentioned to our folks in the level 3 chaos crew in our morning stream that if this moves up above 73, which is right around the 50-day moving average, I think that I would feel a lot better about this. This certainly looks like we are starting to see a reversal on Penn and really the gaming industry in general. And so this makes me really excited. You guys know that I'm in on this one deep. I'm still red on it, but I'm going to continue to hold these shares as I do see the good long-term potential here for sure. And if you guys aren't a part of the level 3 morning live stream and want more of Own the Chaos, you can click the link in the description below. Go to ownthechaos.com, sign up for the Chaos crew. You can go to level 3, and every single morning I go over all of our watch list stuff, any live trades that I end up making, which today you guys heard me talking about earlier that I bought OIH. I also sold my Apple and traded all those shares in to go buy some Amazon and give a pretty in-depth reason as to why I did that. So if you guys want to see more explanations, you want questions answered, you want to see my live trades, click the link down in the description below. We'd love to have you guys over there at Level 3 Chaos Crew.